This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, Fiorella and Sonia from anyhousecleaning.com. The strategy is to remove everything that is in the bathroom. There is a lot of knickknacks. We are gonna clean. We are gonna put the product to work for us. This is cleaning the master bathroom, shower, remove everything, reorganize, clean. And let me show you the condition of the bathroom. This is the shower glass inside. Soapscum, mildew. Sí, ya lo abrí. Funciona.
¿Sí?
Yes.
Okay.
So the first thing is remove everything that is here using glove. Remove everything. Put the products. In the meantime, the product is working for us. We're gonna start. Open the window. Bring the hose and our equipment. Then we organize a room, sorting things, something like that. Okay. Keep posting. Okay, we are gonna use works to inside the toilet. We already opened the window for ventilation and to bring the hose. We're gonna use car clean, no acid. The sink is already damaged. We're gonna try our best to clean it and don't damage the surface. This here too. We already removed the plate. And we're gonna use some foam. Lysol foam cleaner. To clean and disinfect all the area. A lot of dust. This is the reason why we bring our chalk bag. Let it sit. A lot of dust. You can see right away when you spray this cobwebs. There was a cobweb around here. You can see it now. So little by little we're gonna work. We're gonna try our best to clean it. So let's see. She saturated the car clean using the foam Lysol cleaner. And let the product work for us. Before using the mold cleaner, because that's the last step, this shower has a lot of soapscum. So this is the perfect occasion to try this product that is Grout removedor de sarro jabón pegado. This is the perfect shower to use and test the product. Usually I use this container, but I really want to use this hand sprayer, Craftsman, that you can buy in Home Depot. I'm gonna try Grout removedor de sarro y jabón because I heard that this is a really good product. So I'm gonna remove the tip, even though it's not the size, but it's gonna do the trick. Coge aquí y vas a seguir filmando. Oye, métete con cuidado. So, just because I don't want to use any kind of other sprayer, I'm gonna start here, because here there is a lot of sarro, soft scars. And this is the easy way to spread the product. Right now, I can tell that the product it doesn't smell bad. So the other is not. I don't smell nothing. That's great. Here, if you can see, I don't know if you can see here, there is a lot of soft gum. Alcánzame, por favor. I have a blade that I can show you. And you see, this is soft gum. ¿Estás tomando? So actually, with the blade you can do it, but first of all I need a product. So this is the product that is gonna help me to remove all the soft scum. I'm gonna let it sit for a while. And then we are gonna start working in other project that is organizing. So far so good. I hope that this product will do the job easier for me, and I think that it will. I don't smell nothing strong. That's a plus. And I'm gonna put some product on the bottom too. All the floor. Whatever mold that is remaining, I can use the other product that is set, is stronger, is especially to remove the mold, and is bleach base. So that product is strong. I don't want to use right away a strong product. I'm gonna let this product sit for a while. So good, so that's good. We love that our clients treat us well. We have coffee and donuts. Beautiful. What I do is grab some towel paper, put it around the sink picture, and we are gonna saturate the product. It's like if you can put it vinegar or something like that. And we are using cold cream. We are gonna saturate. It's getting better. This is old, broken, but we're gonna try to clean it as much as we could. A little bit more right here too. Do the same here. Especially the bottom part. I'm using a stainless steel brush. You can find this either on Amazon or Ace Hardware. The grout lines, some of them has a white spot. That's soft scum. Like this. This is soft scum. Then we're gonna rinse. Some of them has some black spot like this. Don't do it too hard, just it's gonna be better than a regular brush. A lot of soft scum on the tile itself, but the product is working. That's soft scum. Okay, I'm gonna rinse and start scrubbing the grout lines and the tile. This is a PMF grinder, 2 jets inside, nylon brush, stick, 800, between 800 and 900 PCI. The hose is not connected to the vacuum. I'm just gonna use the dissolution and the water from here. Date la vuelta con cuidado. Papá. Here there is a spot that it didn't remove, so I using my steel brush and rinse. This area is the worst part.
you need any salt and pepper?
No, thank you, sir. You are more than... Ajá.
Qué pastica tan deliciosa, sí me gusta.
Sí, buenísimo. The client is really good. We feel appreciated. Okay, everything is free of dust. Okay, no dust. Everything is clean. We are so proud of this job. Before there was some cobwebs. The toilet is clean. Everything is free of dust. Beneath the shower, I did everything that I could to clean the shower. The glass is damaged. I cannot do nothing more in this area. The frame was like that, it was worse. Soap's gone out. I did everything that I could. We are happy because all the pizza is for us, the donuts, the dessert. We just finished cleaning the house in Tampa. We're really thankful, grateful for this client because we feel appreciated, you know. We feel the love. And they are grateful too for the job that we did, and we are happy.